When you first walk into my room, my closet is on the left, where I have some stuff hanging and my shoes are on the floor underneath. And then there's my mirror. In this alcove is my jewelry, my record player, and some little knickknacks. Above that is my Squishmallow net, and there's a Build-A-Bear in there and some other things. And then there's also a dresser with some candles and some piggy banks. Here's a closer look at some of my squish. To the left of my bed is my bedside table, where I keep my remote, my book, my iPad, things like that, and my piggy planter sits on my windowsill. Steve and Scamander are always sitting on my bed, and then I have a lot of pictures and pennants and fun things on my wall. To the right of my bed are my long bookshelves that hold a lot of fun things. At the start here is my manga collection, and then we go into my Harry Potter section and some more fiction stuff. And then on the bottom shelf I have language stuff, K-pop CDs, playbills, random things, and then my box of cornflakes. I have these cool slanted ceilings, so I hung some posters. I have Call Me By Your Name, Harry Styles, Minecraft, and then a Spider-Man Far From Home. Under my TV I have some more photos, a Shawn Mendes poster, and a Hufflepuff pennant. The last part of my room ends with this big dresser that I keep most of my clothes in. I have perfumes, candles, some photos, and then this awesome rock wall that I have a lot of garland hanging from. Super colorful and very maximalist, and it makes me really happy.